Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best nail gun. Here are the top 3 nail guns that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. BOSTITCH Framing Nailer. BOSTITCH Framing Nailer's construction consists of a featherweight magnesium housing, rubber skid pads and a rubber grip for safe handling. The equipment includes one framing nailer, 2 quick changeable nose pieces and is convertible to framing or metal connector applications. It has a 1,050 inch-pounds of driving power with a sequential and bump trigger. It provides a 7-year manufacturer's warranty that enables customer satisfaction and assurance. The equipment's application comprises of framing, sheathing, sighting, strapping and others. At number 2. Pneumatic brad nailer. This machinery consists of a depth adjustment wheel, a nail gauge, a rotatable exhaust and a rapid release 106 nail capacity magazine. A hassle-free nose latch that provides effective clearance of jammed and crooked nails. A pneumatic nailer which needs an air compressor to drive it. The equipment operates at 60 to 115 psi. Its weight is 2.7 pounds with dimensions measuring 10 by 8.25 by 2.75 inches. It consists of an adjustable air exhaust that lets users provide direction to the pneumatic air output. At number 1. DEWALT Brad Nailer Kit. DEWALT Nailer Kit provides a durable maintenance-free adjustment feature which aids in inserting nails without any hassle. This machinery can be used for multiple projects like upholstery, molding, cabinetry, fastening and others. It possesses a sophisticated design and magnesium-manufactured body which ensures easy mobility and sturdiness with long-lasting features. The machinery consists of a small, removable non-marring nose which improves the line of sight for accuracy of nailing. An anti-jamming tool. This equipment has a jam release mechanism if the machine gets stuck during work. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.